Introducing GBR001, the latest bespoke Porsche 911 964 masterpiece from Theon Design's Oxfordshire workshops. Representing the pinnacle of the enhanced air-cooled 911, this fully restored and thoroughly enhanced machine is a true fantasy-made material. GBR001 boasts a carbon body, warm chrome brightwork, and an agile semi-active suspension. Under the hood, a raucous 3.8-liter naturally aspirated flat-six engine delivers a remarkable 390 bhp and 290 pounds-per-foot of torque. Theon Design's latest interior updates elevate the cockpit's quality while preserving the classic Porsche feel. Every component and surface has been meticulously considered and crafted to perfection. Carefully calibrated for an exceptional driving experience, GBR001's air-cooled brilliance is matched by modern technology. The car's light and stiff carbon body, mil-spec wiring loom, and air conditioning enhancements make it a dream to drive. Its magnificent 3.8-liter engine howls through trumpet-style air intakes, and its unique ignition system delivers an extra kick. Theon Design's collaboration with leading suppliers ensures the highest performance standards. The exterior design blends classic Porsche aesthetics with modern craftsmanship. The slate gray finish and warm chrome brightwork evoke Steve McQueen's iconic 911 from the film Le Mans. Inside, the next-generation interior is a perfect fusion of traditional craftsmanship and modern comforts. GBR001 offers more than just performance. It brings modern creature comforts, including a powerful audio system and climate control, seamlessly integrated without compromising its classic charm. Experience the ultimate air-cooled Porsche 911 driving experience with GBR001, a bespoke masterpiece from Theon Design. Each commission is a unique collaboration with the customer, meticulously crafted over 18 months with unparalleled attention to detail. Prices for Theon Design commissions start at £380,000. Explore the world of air-cooled Porsche perfection and join the dedicated and passionate team at Theon Design in creating your dream Porsche.